Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $3,000 a month with short videos on YouTube. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site, and I'm going to show you this method where you can make this $3,000 in 1 month with simple videos on YouTube. So let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm on YouTube, and as you can see here, this is a cat video where it's really an animal video channel. So because the name of it is Animal Wise, and as you can see, the video is very short. So all they do, guys, is make little short videos with animals in it. As you can see, the name of it is 15 Things You Must Never Do to Your Cat. So they show these short little videos. It's like a compilation within this video of cats. And let me show you how much this channel makes. You're going to be very surprised how much this channel makes. As you can see, they have 411,000 subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers. But let me show you how much they make a month. Okay, I'm at this website called Social Blade. This is a website you can go to find out how much a channel is making on a monthly, yearly basis, how many subscribers they're getting, how many views they're getting. So as you can see here, this channel here is getting up to $9,800 a month. Now, with YouTube, the money varies. So it can be, some month they might just get 3,000, 4,000. And then on the high end, they get 9,000. And then sometimes they get more than that. So it fluctuates. So this is not an accurate amount. It's just an estimate. And as you can see here, they get a lot of views every day. See all these views, and they get a lot of subscribers. I'm going to show you guys that you can make the same amount of money with these type of videos. And I'm going to show you how you can make these videos really, really fast. And then one other thing I'm going to do is show you how much extra money they can make without using ads. Because these videos right here, they got ads, so they're getting paid for their ads. So that's how much they're getting paid on a monthly basis for ads on this amount right here on Social Blade. They just estimate how much money to get from ads. But I'm going to show you another channel that's getting paid for ads and getting paid another way and making probably even more money. So let me go ahead and go to that channel. Okay. Now I went to another channel, and the name of this channel is Animal Facts. And as you can see, they got ads. See, it's an ad that popped up. And they only got 3,000 views on here. But they're making a little money from ads, not that much. But check this out. They have affiliate links down here. So when you click on this affiliate link, see, this one takes you to Amazon. So when somebody buys this right here for their dog, they're going to get paid. This channel is going to get paid a percentage for this purchase. Whoever purchased this pet safe, pet loo, portable indoor, outdoor potty. And this one also, when somebody clicks on here and they're going to get paid for and buys it, they're going to get paid for that too. So that's another way. So they're getting paid two different ways on this channel with their videos, guys. And you can do the same thing. Now, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go through it kind of fast, but I'm going to show you all the steps you need to take to make these type of videos where you can make $3,000 or even up to $8,000 to $9,000 a month. So let me go ahead and show you this process right now. Okay, guys. Now, what you're going to do to make these type of videos, if you want to do animals, you can do that. So you want to just do a specific type of animal, a certain type of animal. Let's, do birds. So if you want to just do birds, you can do that. So on this page right here is called Pixels. So Pixels, they have photos and videos. So if you want to just look up videos, let's click on videos. So if you want to just look up videos, you can just put in birds. And here's some bird videos. And you can download these videos absolutely free. And these are copyright free, so you won't get copyrighted for using these videos. So you can download all these videos if you want, because you want to have like 6 or 7 short videos within one video. So you're going to have a video compilation. And you're going to compile all that together in one video. And what you're going to do is add text to the video. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I make this video? Well, I'm going to show you a video editor, free video editor online that you can use. That's very, very simple. So let me go to that right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and this is called OpenShot. So OpenShot Video Editor. So you can use this as a video editor to put your video together. So if you want to do that compilation of birds, you just come on here and upload the videos that you download to your computer onto here. As you can see, you can put track 1, track 2. You can add music to, and you can go to any website that has royalty-free music. You just type in royalty-free music. You can get you some background music. And this right here, this OpenShot, you can just if you click right here, you'll be able to download it on your computer. And it's real simple, guys. It's real simple. Now, I'm going to show you where else you can go to get your affiliate links. If you don't want to do Amazon, you can do Clickbank. So let me go ahead and go to Clickbank and show you that website. Okay, guys, I'm at Clickbank, and see, this is the leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. So when you come here, as you can see, they have all different type of categories. So if you want to do the videos where you have birds, where you're talking about birds, all you do is just come on here and look up information on birds. And they're going to have different programs or different courses or just different information on birds that's going to pop up. So let me just show you how to search on here. Okay, once you sign up and log into your account here on Clickbank, as you can see here where it says find products. So you can just put in here birds. And see, it gives you different programs and all different type of information that people can read up on birds. because you got a lot of people that love birds out there, so they'll probably buy anything that has to deal with birds. So all you do is just click on here where it says promote. Click right here where it says generate link. Then you just copy this link right here. Just like that. And you just go back to your video. So whenever you have your video up, you have your links down here. And so when somebody clicked on that Clickbank link and buy their product, you're going to get a percentage of it. So that's how that works, guys. Now, if you don't know anything about YouTube, you have to get 1,000 subscribers first before you be able to put ads on your video. Once you have ads on your video, for every 1,000 views, you're going to get paid a certain amount. Now, it varies. All the amounts varies depending on the niche. So with a niche like this, it might be $1 to $2 to $3 for every 1,000 views. But you don't have to rely on that. You will have your links at the bottom or into your description. When somebody click on that, you're going to get paid that way. So this is the method, guys. Now, if you think this is too much work and you want to find a better way or a faster way of making some money, check down in the description below and click on where it says my #1 recommended method to make money on autopilot. Click on that link. It's going to take you to a site that's going to show you step by step how you can set up this automatic system that will pay you money every month on autopilot. So check that out in the description below. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all. And share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and tell you about the special bonus. Now, type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. When you type that number down in the comments, that's going to help you increase your chances of making the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, where hopefully will be at the end of this month of March. So please type this number down in the comments below. All right. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me and I'll keep dropping these videos. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.